outside? You playing outside? Huh, Charlotte? Hey, Charlotte? You playing outside? Sawyer, come. Come, puppies, come. Good girl, Ruthie. Ruthie always comes, don't you? Hey, Xander. Hey, Xander. Hey. Finny, are you playing? Oh, Ruben likes to play too. Yeah. What are you doing, Benton? What are you doing, Benton? Going to play? I bend down, all the puppies come to my feet. Let's come play. Puppies, come. Come. Puppies, come. Come. Yeah, good puppies. Good puppies, come. Yeah. Who's a good listener? Hey, Charlotte? Who's a good listener? Oh, fighting dogs. Oh, fighters. Hmm? Ruben's so playful when he's outside, aren't you, Ruben? Ruben, Ruben, I think we might have dinner outside. It's so nice out. Benton, those are Mommy's pants. Those are Mommy's pants. Those aren't for playing. No. No. Oh, Ruben. What do you think, Daphne? Daphne, what do you think?